Привіт-привіт, мої дорогі друзі! Мене звати Інна. My name is Inna. Welcome to my YouTube channel Speak Ukrainian. In this video lesson I'm going to teach you the англіцизми в українській мові. You can ask me, what is англіцизми? Wait a second, I will explain you everything. But first of all, I would like to ask you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video and leave your comments about it. Дуже дякую. Ну що ж, англіцизми we translate as Anglicisms. Anglicism and Anglicism is the word or construction borrowed from English by another language. So we know that English is one of the most popular and dominant languages in the world. And during the 20th and 21st centuries, technology started develop pretty fast, and we got so many new words that we don't translate. We just take them from English and just start using in our native languages. So, anglicisms we can see in such spheres as travel, technology, professions, work terms, medicine, sport, music, internet, social media, food, drinks. From another side, many linguists say, oh, it's very bad to have so many foreign words, in the native language because they become very dominant, and it doesn't sound good when you just implicate these foreign words in your language. And sometimes we just can't have our own equivalent. Therefore, we just use this anglicism in our language. But from another side, I can say that it is very good for you, my dear students, because when you start learning Ukrainian language, you think, oh my God, they have completely different script, a Cyrillic one, and it is very confusing. And now I have to learn so many strange sounding words for me, and I can't remember them. But guys, good news is that when you start learning the Ukrainian language, I'm sure that like 100 words you know them, and you don't have to learn them. You don't have to memorize them. And I would like to give you a task, your homework. Please make up the vocabulary lists. You can do it in your copybook. If you just like handwriting, you can do it on your laptop, just creating like a document, or you can just make some notes on your iPad or your smartphone, what is convenient for you, and just to divide the words into the categories that I mentioned before, and then you can see that you know already so many words. Crazy. So let's learn some of the most popular words today, some of the most popular anglicism in Ukrainian language, and then you can just extend this list. Maybe you can share with other Ukrainian language learners, and you will see that, oh wow, I have already know so much words. That's great. Okay, so account, all-inclusive, Pay attention how I pronounce these words in English and how I pronounce them in Ukrainian, because I don't pronounce them the same as in English, in Ukrainian language. I pronounce them in Ukrainian way. And when we just take anglicism, how we can use them in our language. Let me tell you, that I'm a professional translator, by the way. I have a master's degree in translation, English and German languages. So I can tell you, as the professional translator also, that there are two ways how we translate anglicism. So we can translate them with the help of transcription or transliteration. What does it mean? So transcription is when we translate the word by listening how how like English speakers pronounce them, and then we just reproduce the sounds. And transliteration, we just see the word and do this like word letter by letter, like writing of this word. For example, you can see that all inclusive, we write it in Ukrainian language by using transcription. Yes, we don't write it like A, L, L, inclusive. If we wrote like this, just check it out here, then it's transliteration, letter by letter. If we write like this as all inclusive, it's transcription. I hope I explained it clearly for you. Bullying, bullying. Check-in, зачекінитися, зачекінитися. Click, клікнути. Damping, damping. Deadline, deadline. Digest, digest. Email, email. Feedback, feedback. Flash mob, flash mob. Gadget, gadget. Internet, internet. Life hack, life hack. Like this video. Must read, must read. News release, news release. Prime time, prime time. Pudding, pudding. I'm sorry if I don't pronounce some English words correctly, just it is very confusing when I just see this Ukrainian variant. Screenshot, screenshot. Skills, skilly. Smile, smile. Team building, team building. Tutor, tutor. Let me read Ukrainian words again, Ukrainian variants. Account, all inclusive, bullying, зачекінитися, клікнути, damping, deadline, digest, email, feedback, flash mob, gadget, internet, life hack, like, must read, news release, prime time, pudding, sale, screenshot, skilly, smile, team building, tutor. But I have to tell you that some of the words, they have even Ukrainian equivalents. So some Ukrainian linguists, they made up their own words. They said, oh no, we don't like to have Anglicism in the Ukrainian language, therefore we'll make our own words. So for example, like, the Ukrainian alternative words is вподобайка. Вподобайка, this is a noun and it comes from the verb подобатися. Подобатися, так, to be liked. Подобатися. Or for example, skilly. Also we have our own words like навички. Навички. Або smile. Actually, we don't really say smile. We say усмішка in Ukrainian language. There are усмішка, посмішка. Так, we have this equivalence. So there are a lot of this Anglicism in Ukrainian language, like taxi. So let me just say this Anglicism in Ukrainian language, and can you guess their meaning in English? Let's make this experiment. Taxi, метро, радіо, аудіо, відео, коментар, менеджер, ноутбук, телефон, смартфон, трипод і так далі, and so on. So, did you understand these words? Can you translate them into English? I think you do. So, guys, it's a very big topic, Anglicism, and you can write the whole thesis about it. That many of my university friends did that. So I can record more video lessons about that. Just let me know if you want me to do that, and I will do that with pleasure. So I want to say thank you so much for writing supporting comments, for giving me your feedback, also feedback відгуки in Ukrainian language, так, відгуки about my video lessons, that they're useful for you, that you can learn some Ukrainian with the help of them. I'm so happy to get your feedbacks, and even we had some very hot days recently in the UK. So it's the whole summer it was cold, and it's September, we got hot weather, and my brain was melting, and I didn't want to do anything or record some new video lessons, but I love you so much, therefore I decided to make some new video lessons for you. Thank you so much, my dear Patreons, my dear supporters, for your donations. Thank you for supporting my charity project Buy T-shirt Save Ukrainian Life. Дуже дякую. If you want to learn Ukrainian language fluently, then welcome to my online school Speak Ukrainian at speakia.com. There you can find flashcards, textbooks, courses, private lessons, the app. We have an app. Так, дуже дякую. Subscribe to my Instagram account Speak Ukrainian Language. Побачимось скоро. See you soon, and Слава Україні!